Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is functionality proof for power supply board BN44-01144A, which is used in a bunch of monitors, Samsung monitors from the LS series. This is LS49AG952N, but it's listed on a number of websites. Those are unique markings of the boards from the customer. And this is what you're supposed to see to make sure that it is working properly. This is one of the monitors that, like many of others, does have an issue somewhere on the screen. I think it was somewhere in the middle. There was a line down. But the board is ready, it is working. You can tell that it isn't when the monitor is totally dead and that fuse is blown open. And when it does, don't try to replace the fuse. That's suggestion for everyone else who is watching. I have a separate video that explains why it is a bad idea to replace. Bottom line is there are other components that cause that fuse to blow, and they have to be taken care of in order to avoid even bigger failure. That's it. That board is ready. Invoice is coming up, and will be shipped back as soon as we receive payment. Thank you.